Hi. Hello, hi. I have a really nice hairstyle for this Raksha Bandhan. If you want to see, then stay tuned. This is called a waterfall braid. The waterfall effect, I will show you on this side. All you need for this is a comb and 4 bob pins, 2 for this side, 2 for this side. And let's start. We'll take a section of hair and split it into 2 parts, 2 equal parts, and then twist it once. Now we have a space where we can take the third parting. So we will pull out some hair from here and put that in between the section, the 2 sections. So here we have our first braid, first waterfall. We will twist it again. We again have some space for the second waterfall, and we will take it from the top. Let's take a little smaller section. Okay. Leave it in between the 2 sections and twist again. You see this effect? 1, 2. Okay. We will take the third now. Put them in between those 2 braids and we will twist again. You can see. So see, this is the first waterfall, second waterfall, third waterfall. We will do this one more time. It's a bit difficult because I'm looking in the small mirror and I can't see. Okay. Here. We will then twist it like so and just secure it with a bobby pin. Okay. This is our first one. This is our second one. This is our third one. And this is the fourth one. Okay. Let's put them aside. Twisted. Now take the first one. This is the first one. Put in between. Leave it. Twist. Second one. Yeah. Twist it. Then we take the third one. Fourth one. And finally, we just twist it and twist it. And secure it with a bobby pin. So this is what the waterfall braid looks like. If you like this, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want another tutorial, let me know in the comment section. Bye bye.